Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will be showing you how to report a problem on Threads on your Android device. Reporting a problem is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. To get started, open the Threads app on your Android device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap the two stacked lines in the upper right-hand corner to open Settings. Then, select Report a Problem from the available options. To enable the Shake Phone to Report a Problem feature, activate the choice by tapping on it. This will allow you to shake your phone to report a problem quickly and easily. To report a problem, simply go back to the main screen of the app and shake your phone. This will bring up the reporting screen, where you can describe the issue you're experiencing. It's important to note that reporting problems on Threads is an important step in improving the app's overall performance. By reporting issues, you can help the development team identify and fix any bugs or glitches quickly. In addition to shaking your phone to report a problem, there are other ways to report problems on Threads. For example, you can also report a problem by tapping and holding on a message and selecting Report a Problem from the options. In conclusion, reporting a problem on Threads on your Android device is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily report any problems you encounter on Threads and help make the app better for everyone. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.